story. Tell me if you can guess the producer. But you see, this is why I don't let producers upload my song. Why would you threaten to take down a song that I worked so hard on, my first song to chart? And I think you carrying pum pum feelings, but I don't sleep with broke men, baby.
This constituency has 13,400 voters. And never before has the Mullines division recorded the numbers we were seeing in any general election.
Mr. Buchanan is alleging the irregularities were concentrated at the polling stations in areas considered People's National Party strongholds.
Welcome to Lionfoot TV at the right place, and let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness, big up on yourself. Welcome to Lionfoot TV, another man of peace. I may always accept the violence of the streets, live in love, unity, and strength. Life are the greatest gift. Cherish each and every moment. So, man, sir, anyway, you're there right now, I watch this vlog. I love and blessings, upon you, your loved ones. Don't forget to like and share the content, please. And thanks. Share the button, hit the share button, hit the like button, hit the like button. The more you like it, now cost you nothing. You see what I say? Yeah, man, support. In this episode, we have female artist by the name of Starr, Starr. She currently have a song right now. We hit the charts titled Pineapple, produced by a producer we know. Zine. Yeah, I've been around with D on a daily basis, and a very talented producer. You see what I say? But when I call him name, stay tuned at the end if you want to find out who. See? Yes, man, we also have Mr. Buchanan, not Isaac, I think Apal, a member of the PMP Parliament, is stating that, alleged, so the box them when missing unfair election went down and, yeah, blue force. As I say, but I'm going to hear what him say. I want to let me know what Uno say in the comment section. Saying, don't forget to like and share the content, please and thanks. We are forward.
Pineapple, pineapple. Feel like heaven when you inside. Warm up for right when it's all night.
Yes, man. So that artist goes by the name of Starr. Yeah, I love her sound, and she have a nice sound. And the song sound good too. The rhythm sound good too. But it cause a bag of controversy.
Sweet like pineapple, pineapple, pineapple. Feel like heaven when you inside. Warm up for right when it's all night.
And her body look damn good too. You see what I say? Sexy of and curviness. Yeah, man. She's gonna ride on the long thing all night, Yeah.
My body sweet like pine. I get juicy when I whine.
Yo, she say her body sweet like pine and she get juicy when she whine. Lord Jesus, you hear the words there?
Wine pon it, hips and thighs I hypnotize. Look me in.
Yo, man, nah lie, man. What a piece of one. Look how she move the waistline, man. Yo, me I tell you. Yeah, man, I sang the name Pineapple and the artist named Starr. See, you can go check out her music video. As me say, she came out publicly, speaking about a producer when me know in person, Yes, man. So I'm going to hear what she say. I want to let me know what I think. If I the right approach from her, Yeah.
I'm going to tell you a story. Tell me if you can guess the producer. So a producer comes to me and says he has a rhythm for me, but he has no budget. Lie. Cool, I like the rhythm, so that means I have to pay for everything and he still collects money. Now that I got the song to chart, this man wants to take down my song. I paid to voice myself. I booked my own studio session. I paid for my own writer. I paid for flyers and I went out in the street and I asked people to download my song. I begged my friend Krabba for help. He made sure I had a video. He told me marketing strategies to do. I didn't ask this producer to do nothing. All he's doing is collecting free money. But he's mad because his logo is not on the YouTube video. You didn't pay for a video, babe. The videographer's logo is not even on the video. But you see, this is why I don't let producers upload my song. Why would you threaten to take down a song that I worked so hard on, my first song to chart? And I feel sorry for your baby mother. Y'all, these are the type of men you don't sleep with. That's why I can't take with some of you Uptown Jamaicans. You don't understand struggle. You didn't put no money in the song. All you're doing is collecting money. But you want to take down the song because you want to show your power. But the only power I recognize is God Almighty. That's the only person I got fear in. So take down the song. And I think you carrying pum pum feelings, but I don't sleep with broke men, baby. That's bad luck. And matter of fact, I asked you to guess the producer. They will never guess you, Blizzy, because you're nobody. You're nobody.
Okay, my viewers and subscribers. In this scenario, the producer, Blizzy. Yeah, she call the name Blizzy. See? Somebody we know well. Big up Blizzy. Talented producer can play players of instrument, you know. Yeah, I see them on the live in a studio create history, you know, create hits, gems. Big up Casper. Casper, me know him through Casper. See? As I say, talented musician, an artist. He's also an artist too. Yeah, Blizzy. Yeah, man. So basically, in this situation, in my opinion, Blizzy should just he might collect money for him, read him already. So in 50% or 100%, you know, when a song release, a 50-50 split, depends on the agreement where them have. But Blizzy should get him royalties them or earnings from just the instrumental. If he had nothing to do with the song, based on what Star is saying, you know, she paid for her studio time, she paid for the song to mix master, she paid for the writer to write the song for her. You know, she literally paid everything, and the studio where she go record it. Once she paid that money, she is the producer of the song, the track. She own the track, but Blizzy still produce the rhythm, the instrumental, the composer, and she's the author. Whoever write the song, they might get them royalties. Seeing, but you know, she said Blizzy like her boom boom feelings too. You know that always part of the game in the music industry, you know. She look good, she hot, you see me, and she's sexy and she's so you see me? But we don't know what that part there, she has said, you see me? But let me know what y'all think in the comment section below. If you think she made the right approach or she should have just hold it. She said him vexed because his logo is not in the music video. Again, that's a simple matter. Him logo not for the in the music video because it's not him produce it. Him only provide the beat. She do all of the expenditure, you know, the money part of it, mixing, mastering, and video, music video as well, you know. So she has all the say. See, so I think Blizzy should have made that be an issue if you want to take down the song because the song sound good. You see what I'm saying? Well, let me know what y'all think, my viewers and subscribers. I'll give us some support. Star, big up yourself. Star, big up, big up, big up. Yeah, man, a lion foot, man of peace. See? Moving on now, election done, run and done, and them say, yo, all about corruption go on and ballot get take away. But here we go on, here that one I say, I think his name Paul Buchanan. I don't know if he's related to Isaac, but here we go on.
This constituency has 13,400 voters. And never before has the Mullines division recorded the numbers we were seeing in any general election.
Mr. Buchanan is alleging the irregularities were concentrated at the police stations in areas considered People's National Party strongholds.
At DuPont, in particular, the conflict in terms of the outturn or the outcome and the numbers, the preliminary numbers, could not be supported.
At the Taylor Basic School, the Mall Road cluster, more irregularities, he claims.
Again, there we had significant numbers, so much so that after a visit by Andrew Holness yesterday, voting was ordered stop, inexplicable.
He says his team is also investigating the strange removal of several boxes.
Is that there were some boxes over Seaward Drive or the Seaward School cluster that went to the polling station long after everywhere else in Jamaica, despite the fact that it was about 300 yards away or 300 meters away between Seaward School and the counting center. And when my attorney asked for an explanation, they said that the responsible person was sick. Now, we'll have to go into that as far as the sickness is concerned, or who was the responsible person, whether as a presiding officer. The question will be asked. Again, at Drews Avenue, where another of our strong cluster of boxes. The pickup people took a route which is inexplicable. Instead of going straight from Mullines, coming up Mullines and go straight through to Bay Farm and Waltham to the counting center. They went through a hazardous path, a perilous path, down Olympic to drop off 2 policewomen. And we have witnesses of all these things. And through a throng of JLP, crowd and all of that, to 3 Mile and then up.
Mr. Buchanan is calling for a thorough investigation, but says he has not officially reported the matter to the EOJ as he's gathering evidence and will do so in a week. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, when you hear it in full details, basically, I say some of the boxes them get take away, and the route is just straightforward for them to deliver the box at the counting center. Them took a long, hazardous route. So I say, allegedly, them say some of the police them were the JP police, and then go with them look for skull dog with thing. I don't know, it's all alleged. But I hear him say, man, get up him information, to submit them within a week, to have a full investigation, and walk. That's what I'm about politics in about. We just, whoever run the country, we just want it run good and make opportunities, open doors for people, you know, on both sides, JLP, BMP. You see, my viewers and subscribers, but let me know what y'all think. So I say, another 4 years for Bro God. Why am I telling them I'm going to ball out the still, you know? I think Bro God I hear that. But anyway, my viewers and subscribers, let me know what y'all think in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Please just hit the like button. It not costs you nothing.